With reference to Vaikom Satyagraha, a temple entry movement, consider the following statements. It was a reformist movement against the practice of untouchability. This is correct. So this was in Travancore, in Kerala. So this movement started in Travancore, which was started by T.K. Madhavan, and he was from Ezhava community. So Ezhavan community was more, you can say, depressed community. They were not allowed to perform all those puja and rituals in one of the temples in Travancore. So he started the movement. It was more like a satyagraha, which was based on non-violent principles of Gandhiji. Gandhiji wanted to make the movement an all India affair. No, Gandhiji did not want to make it an all India affair, because he knew that if अगर इसको ऑल इंडिया अफेयर बना दिया जाएगा, that would lead to infighting between different castes of India, and that would fuel even more powers to Britain to again implement their divide and rule policy. So he wanted to limit it more like a localized affair, more to Kerala itself. The movement was led by T.K. Madhavan, this is correct, against the dominant Ezhava community. No, they were the only community that they were discriminated from being given the rights to perform all the rituals in one of the temples there. So he was the member of Ezhava community, not against Ezhava community. So this is incorrect. It was a non-violent protest which was supported by the INC. This is correct also. So first and fourth is correct. So A would be the correct answer.